About macros, metabolism and daily requirement कि how much if you want to calculate your own कितना चाहिए मुझे, so उसके accordingly मैं बताता हूँ. So first I'll talk about macros. I'll just create a food chart. Okay, suppose I'm eating anything, any food like chips हो गया, कुछ भी, anything. Okay, it goes inside body, it gets digested. Okay, then it goes down and divide either into fat, you're taking protein, or carbs. Cool. So 1 gram of fat has 9 calories. 1 gram protein has 4. 1 gram carbs has 4. These two are same. Okay, so these are my macros, and every macro is important. It's like equally important. You cannot tell this is I need this more or this is the most important. Yeah, fat. Okay, everything is important macros, because if you talk, I'll just quickly tell about like what fats will do. It supports your joint health, and it helps in inflammation, and many vitamins, A, D, A, K basically, they are fat soluble. So if you don't have essential fats, you won't be able to absorb them. Second, protein. I think everyone knows about protein. It's like building blocks. In addition to it, it supports growth of brain as well and organs as well. Third, we have carbs, which is the energy source. And if I talk particularly about fibers, it's really good for your gut bacteria as well. Apart from macros, we have micros, which is basically for your immune system, like to prevent diseases. So we'll talk about later. So right now we have fat, protein, and carbs. If I break down again, it will be, so these are basically my macros. So if I break down again, this will go into fatty acids, protein will go into amino acids, last carbs as glucose. Okay, and suppose if I'm training, at the end it will come out as ATP, or it will stored as adipose tissue. For amino acids, again, it can also be go into ATP. It's like basically ATP is adenosine triphosphate. It is energy basically. Okay, and it helps in building blocks of tissues. Third, glucose, again it can be go into ATP or stored as glycogen. Okay guys, so this is the food chart, and this part contains your macros, and that's how it breaks down again. So from here only the metabolism terms came, because metabolism basically whatever you're eating, it is converting into energy. So any changes that is happening, that is your metabolism. Like बहुत ज़्यादा सुना होगा कि कहते हैं ना लोग, they don't even know what metabolism is, but ऐसे कहते हैं metabolism बहुत fast है, it is good in your body, बस ऐसे. So this, from food to breakdown till here, this all is metabolism. Okay, and this is like metabolic pathway. Now it can be divided into two: catabolism and anabolism. Guys, agar, like if you're not getting the writing, it's okay. I'm trying ki I'll write big. Okay, so catabolism and anabolism. Catabolism means breaking down the molecules. So catabolism is basically breaking, and anabolism opposite, building. Okay, so like there's a common question people say na there's an anabolic window after the gym. So basically what you do, you break down, or energy is consumed. So basically energy is consumed in the gym, and then you need energy is released in the gym, and energy is you want to consume again. So that is your anabolic window. Just like sometimes people say कि within half an hour you should drink your protein shake, or 1 hour protein shake. तो एक anabolic window है. So it's not this what I'm telling, but कि it has to be half an hour or 1 hour. That is different concept. But this is what anabolic window does. Basically protein synthesis, this building blocks of tissue, this is happening in anabolic window. Like glycogen replenish, these all comes in anabolic window. So if I talk about this part, from fat to fatty acids, it is getting catabolism. And when again after amino acids you're building tissues, after this you can replenish glycogen stores, this converts into lipids, this all will be your anabolism. So from here to here is anabolism. Other than that, it is catabolism.